Kaya Shalabanangala. Hello loves, it's yours truly, Zazara Cordovana, and in this video I'm going to be introducing you to the sound of the Atlantean language, also known as Thala, natively. I'm going to be reading a poem called The Lesson of the Butterfly by Paulo Coelho. I've translated it from English, or the English translation, into Atlantean. For those of you who don't know me, I'm an author of many books about Atlantis. A lot of them are inspired from my spiritual dreams that I've been having of Atlantis since I was a little child, and I've written down all of my experiences and just wanted to share it to the world. And for more information on my books, you can watch my other videos, or or you can go over to my channel, The Kingdom of Atlantean, Atlantis. So here's the lesson of the butterfly in the Atlantean language. Shevwaye nge Nohaianna, Yenleo, hwainu naiyomei, mevwaayeo. Annshan luwalei nyefulaye, loesi saviye Nohaianna, mekaliooyaye, hwainuniu, kimetu teiilah. Longilaueiya, yeri Nohaianna makholaniyeo, hwainu ayehla Nohaianna semina aamiyeo. Inina laki-lah, Siewa Annshan Nohaiannu siekothu laki-lah, naiyomei Nohaianna loesi. Sumo nili, hwainu hwainuniu Annshan, Longilaueiya tinga Yenleo Nohaianna Haleo la Nohaianna, muio la suviza'yeo. Sengu, Nohaianna mevwaayeo siwile, yehafaye mengwalaye, wilome ngilia, mongoya viala sile yeri, azanaseni suviza'yeo. Annshan kitu simile nge melora, nge kola, la nyela semina yoae, naiyomei hwainu loshu, luwalei, Nohaianna kimetu nge mongoyale. La analasene sobre delayo, Siewa laki suviza'yeo, atite kolayo, yeva zuvi la nyefulaye, mekaliooyaye. Loesi, shashorayo, azonyesi siwalesi. Shevwaye nge Nohaianna, the lesson of the butterfly in the Atlantean language. So I hope you enjoyed that. That is the sound of the authentic, revived, modern Atlantean language. If you want to know more about Atlantis and everything that I've learned, then feel free to follow me on this channel or my channel called The Kingdom of Atlantean. I have 3 books, 2,000 pages of Atlantis for you guys. Love you. Bye.